Bob, how these sounds are produced?
Good question, Joe. These sounds are produced by the vibrations of the particles in the form of a wave that passes from one point to another point.
Bob, can we see these vibrations?
Joe, we can see some vibrations and some may not be seen. But we can feel it. Look at this plate.
Bob, here I can see the vibrations.
Yes, Joe. I have one more example to tell you. Take this calling bell. When we press it, it produces sound. If we touch it, the sound will be very low. If we hold this bell tightly with our hand, it stops vibrating and sounds coming from it also stop. It clearly says that a vibrating object produces sound.
Bob, I have a small doubt.
What, Joe?
How does sound travels?
Joe, sound can travel in a medium like solids, liquids and gases. But it cannot travel in vacuum because vacuum have no molecules.
Thanks, Bob. Now I got it.